everybody. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Today we have a Hindu tale, which I think demonstrates one of our core values, compassion. We have two rulers, the Monkey King and the Maharaja of Benares, and it takes a selfless act by the Monkey King to show the Maharaja how to be a compassionate ruler. I hope you enjoy the story. There was once a kingdom of monkeys in the forest. The king of the monkeys was very large, very kind, and very wise. In the forest stood a mango tree. Not only was it a home for the monkeys, but its fruit was wonderful to taste. Nowhere was there a tree like it, not in India, not in the world. The monkeys were worried that if people found out how wonderful the fruits were, they would come searching for the tree, and this could only mean disaster and destruction for the forest. The monkeys guarded the tree and looked after each branch. They would watch and wait until the fruits ripened, and then they would carefully take them off and share them with the other animals in the forest. And so the forest was peaceful. The monkeys looked after the tree, and the tree fed the monkeys. But one day, a mango that had been hidden behind a leaf fell into the river Ganges. It flowed downstream where a Maharaja was having a bath. The Maharaja noticed the mango, ate it, and realized how tasty it was. He craved for more of the wonderful fruit. The next day, the Maharaja went upstream with his soldiers to search for more of these fruits. There were lots of mango trees, but also lots of monkeys. The Maharaja didn't want to share the mangoes with the monkeys, so his soldiers began to fire at them. The Monkey King led the monkeys to the edge of the forest, where there was a deep gorge with a bamboo forest at the other side of the gorge. The Monkey King saw that if his subjects could cross over to the bamboo forest, they would be saved. With his huge body, he formed a bridge over the gorge, and the monkeys climbed over him to reach the safety of the bamboo forest. The Monkey King held tight as each monkey stepped over him, but he endured the pain. Once all his subjects were safely across, he collapsed, dying on the ground. The Maharaja witnessed the whole thing. He approached the dying Monkey King. "Why did you not look after yourself? Why did you sacrifice yourself for them?" The Monkey King replied, "Because I am their king. My suffering means nothing if it saves the lives of my monkeys." And with that, he died. The Maharaja was so touched that he decided to rule with compassion and love from that day. He ordered that the monkeys in the bamboo forest and their mango tree be protected from harm forever. Dear God, please watch over those who are sad, weary, or in pain. Bless each one of them and let them know that they are not alone, so that they may find the strength that they need. Amen.